सूत्रधार में सुनते हैं पंचतंत्र की कहानियां। आगतश्च गतश्चैव दृष्ट्वा सिंह पराक्रमम् अकर्णरधयो मूर्खो यो गत्वा पुनरागतः।
Which means that a donkey named Lamkarna ran off after looking at the courage of the lion, did not trust his ears, returned and became the lion's prey. Lion, Jackal and the Donkey. One day, a lion named Karlakeshar was so severely wounded in a fierce battle with a strong elephant that it was impossible for him to collect food. His old attendant, a jackal named Dhusarak, was also starving. The lion asked the jackal to entice a being into the cave. So while searching, Dhusarak found a donkey named Lambakarna in a nearby village. He was eating grass and happily roaming around. The jackal started talking to him in honeyed words and advised the donkey to accompany him to a large grassy field. The jackal enticed him in such a way that the donkey agreed to come with him. The jackal also assured the greedy donkey that there are 3 female donkeys at that place. The donkey immediately set out with the jackal. Seeing the donkey, the lion jumped at him, but being weak, missed the donkey and the donkey ran away. The jackal harshly scolded the lion for letting all his efforts go down the drain. So the lion requested the jackal to bring the donkey back so that he could prey on him again. The jackal went to the donkey again and said, "Why did you run off and come here? That female donkey came towards you to hug you. She feels such strong affection for you that if you don't fulfill her wish, she will die and you will be responsible for her death." Listening to Jackal's words, the infatuated donkey went again to the lion with him. This time, the fully prepared lion jumped with full might and managed to kill the donkey. Killing him, the lion went to take a bath and asked the jackal to guard the carcass of the donkey. The jackal ate the heart and both the ears of the donkey. When the lion returned after bathing and saw the donkey's heart and ears missing, angry, he reproached the jackal. So the jackal said, "Master, I did not do anything. This donkey did not have a heart and ears. That is the reason he came back after you attacked him." The lion believed the jackal and gave him his share of meat. Lesson: in this story, we saw how clever people like the jackal can push you into the trough with their deceivingly sweet words, and how because of greed, you yourself invite your destruction like Lambakarna donkey.